Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco.
Let me take a look at what you have, young lady. How many worms are there in your hand? Like, seriously.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think. 7. Do you see that little bitty one?
Where?
Right there.
Oh, my gosh.
I found that. I'm going to see if I can find it.
More?
I found one. I have to.
Just a girl in her pink boots digging for worms. What are you going to do with these worms, young lady?
Put them in me and my mom's garden, and so they can help our plants grow.
I think that's a fantastic idea. All right, go for it.
It's a fat one in there.
Big old juicy earthworm. They're going to be so happy to get back in the dirt.
What's the difference about worms and earthworms?
You know, that's something we can look up.
Earthworms, it's like earthworms are these worms because they're all around the world.
And they're definitely found down in the earth.
Oh, wow!
Girl, get away from me with all of that. Move.
You like it? It's not bad, right?